Yes, hello India. My name is Andreas. I'm recording this video from Stuttgart, Germany. And what I want to show you with this video is the hottest opportunity which you have seen till now. This is a pretty bold introduction, as you can hear. Now, the remaining 7 minutes of the video, I will prove this. What is right now in front of your screen is a website called Immobilien Scout, which is the main place in which leasing of rental apartments takes place all over Germany. I have made a search here in Stuttgart, I have made it for a 3-room apartment, 10 kilometers, and you're seeing 560 flats right now in Stuttgart, which is a medium to big among the top 10 cities within Germany. So there are 10 cities like this. So every month in Germany there's 10 times these 560 flats leased out. And what my statement is I, together with my partner Mahesh, and potentially with you, will move this entire leasing business process from Germany to India. And since you are amongst the first persons who will join in this, this is an opportunity which will convert its top people into multimillionaires. So enough of the bold statements. Where are the proofs of this? What is in front of you is the advertisement website, which carries all the advertisement. Okay, but that advertisement is just a fraction of the overall business logic of this process. I am in this business now 15 years, 15. And I have converted the business process, the overall business logic of leasing of a flat into such a mind map, which is divided in 3 sections. Within those sections, let me expand that so that you can see it. Those sections are broken down on their lowest levels in such modules. There you see these modules. One is essential contract data, one is essential flat data, Grundriss data, and why and how we are transferring the business process from Germany to India is these small modules we are defining with the precision of software engineering according to the software engineering standard and the leader Pressman. We are using Pressman's structured analysis technology to convert the intuitive business logic into a almost binary defined business logic according to structured analysis by Pressman and the elements of structured analysis by Pressman, which are it has a data modeling portion which contains the data object, the attributes of the data object, the hierarchy of the data object, the instances of the data object, the entity relation diagram, the relations, the definition of the relations, and then it goes into the functional modeling, the data flow modeling at the context level, at the level 1, and the behavioral modeling. Now, if this portion of the business process, for example, I won't give you too much details because I just have 8 minutes here. So if this portion of the business process is defined based on structured analysis with this accuracy and this precision, what happens is N people understand it as one. And the moment n people understand it as one, we are able to create such a dominant unit, which is called phalanx. We can create a unit which always outperforms our component. We are the red ones in this case, and our opponents, the industry in Germany right now consists 80% of the turnover is made by offices which are 1 to 3 people big. Now, we have this binary understanding which allows us to create an office, a formation, which is big as this one. Right now, we are at 5. I don't know when you will read that, when you listen to that video, maybe there we are at 25. Now, if 25 people push like this, and in front of this there's just one person standing, or 2 person or 3 person, these people are chanceless. They are chanceless. And that is the mechanism what we do. Now again, it's an abstract mechanism. I need to prove my sayings. Okay, now let me go and prove my sayings. Now I have showed you here the market size. Now I show you one of our ads. You see Omnireal, Andreas Pelzer, that's me. That is one of our ads which is created in India. You're seeing the mouse over here. That is the title picture. You're seeing in this title picture, it has, the picture consists of 4 pictures. It has on the top section, it has the Grundriss, which is the floor plan. Here it has one of the main USPs, it has the bath, and here's the location, and here's one of the rooms. Now, if you compare this with a comparative advertisement of a German, this is a good one, this is an advertisement of a competitor of me, and this is a good guy. Now if you compare this with his title slide, he doesn't have in all of his pictures here, in all of them, he doesn't have a single picture-in-picture slide, not a single one. Now look at those pictures and try to figure out whether you get on those pictures more information than from our pictures. Let me do the same with our pictures. Here, that's the first one. Again, PEP, that's ours here. Here we have not PEP, I don't know why. Here we have again PEP, again PEP. Here we don't, I don't know why. I may have chosen the wrong one. And here we have the Grundriss. Now, what I'm saying to you is that our advertisements right now are outperforming every advertisement. You can search this site and you will not find any advertisement with a PAP. And why you won't find that is because our advertisements are entirely created in India. They are created on such a page, E27, and well, hopefully nothing press, exactly. And within that page, they are created within such a PowerPoint. Here you'll see again the PIPs, and here you'll see this PowerPoint, and you'll see here, see users Mahesh Kamakodi. It is entirely produced in India, this advertisement. And right now it'll be scaled, it'll be, because we are in the process of defining this binary, we will put 2 to 3 more people in the improvement process on this, and that already is untouchable to Germans. They cannot compete. A 1 to 3 man unit cannot produce that. They don't have the time. They cannot invest to sit and an entire working day to create such a PowerPoint as the one which is in front of you. And whereas we can, and that outperforms all of our competitors on this process, which is the creation of the advertisement. And in that way, we are moving through the, see here, that is the PPT. Now you can see it. Here again, the PP. It's beautiful. Here, this is again a simple picture. Now, they cannot sit there and do all that in Germany. Because also it is too expensive. Look at this. These are expensive. These are, as a matter of fact, this is a triple PEP. This is a picture. This is a picture, and here is on top is not is another picture. Now, on the advertisements already, which do constitute over the let's say 5% of this overall process, we are outperforming, and we are creating these outperformance for each and every of those sub modules through OneNote. with such a structured analysis page. And as the end result of such a structured analysis page, a result comes up such as these PEP advertisements or this new SharePoint interface for a specific other sub-process, which is miles better than the German competitors. And the customer sees that, and I'm doing the marketing here together with a small unit which I'm building right now, and I'm just speaking very bold to the customer. I'm saying to the customer, compare whether you are able to get this service from any other person, and if yes, well and good, and if no, I will never ever talk to you, and if no, let's give it one try, and if this is not a life-changing experience for you, I will never ever call you. I even pay you a compensation. Now, this is a lot of detail which is with you. You may have to listen to it twice to get it, but in its essence, it proves my initial statements. My initial statements have been we are converting the business process, which is necessary for leasing out flats here, using Pressman structured analysis into a binary understanding. It takes time and it takes effort to create this binary understanding. But once that almost binary understanding is there, we can act as a big formation on this binary understanding. Everybody understands to the dot exactly how this works, and everybody is able to cover his flank. And we are able to produce this situation where on each and every element of the business process, we are outnumbering our opponent. Here, in this case, our opponent is attacked by 3 sides. He's chanceless. He is chanceless. That will, now the figures on this is 500 flats. The average commission of a flat is 1,500 euros. That brings us to, in Stuttgart alone, a monthly turnover of 750,000 euros times 10, because there are 10 cities like this. That is a market size of 7.5 million euros a month. And that is what we are going for right now. Not tomorrow, not in a decade, right now. And in the quest of those 7.5 million euros, you are one of the first members to join. Now, if this becomes an Infosys, you can judge, and you are amongst the first persons in this Infosys. You can judge yourself how much that will benefit you. I'm saying that this will create an industry in India almost as big as the transcription/medical transcription industry, where 20 to 50,000 people can work and will work. So thanks a ton, and I'm really keen in collaborating with you. Righto, thank you very much. Bye bye.